How to fix Cash App payment pending. I will show you how to fix Cash App payment pending in this video. The first step is to open the Cash App mobile application. You will land on the app's homepage where you will see sections that can help you get access to different features of the app. From there, proceed to the bottom menu on the screen. It has several options. From them, tap this one, which shows the activities you have carried out on your account. Please wait for the page to finish loading. Finally, you will land on a page similar to this one. There are different sections here. One is named Completed. This section shows you the payments that have been completed and successfully sent or received. Also, there is this other section named Pending. This section shows the payments that are still pending and not received. If you are in this scenario, then the process is simple. All you have to do is to tap on the Accept button that appears next to the payment, just like you can see here. After that, this other page will appear where you are required to confirm your action. So go ahead and tap here Confirm, and just like that, the payment will be completed. It is that simple. In case this button is not there for you, then I will show you what you can do to solve this issue. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you will land on this other page where there are various options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. Okay, let's proceed. Next, scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you reach the bottom of the page. From there, tap this option here named Support. After that, the page will start loading. Get it time. Finally, you will land on the support page of Cash App where you can help in solving issues you face on the app. After that, tap this option here named Payments. After doing that, you will land on this other page where various options are related to the payments. From them, tap this one here named Receiving Payments. You will be taken to this other page where you will see more options that are related to receiving payments. From them, tap this one here named Payment Pending. Finally, you will land on this page where you will see some information explaining to you what the issue could be and how you can solve it. Read it to get a good understanding of the issue. Finally, proceed and go to the support section. Under the section, there is an option named Chat. Tap on it. After that, this chat box will appear where you can chat with the Cash App support team. Make sure you explain to them well what the issue may be. You can also copy what I have typed here. Hi, my payment is pending and I tried all means to accept it, but nothing works. Please do that for me. Thanks. Finally, send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. I hope this video has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is how to fix Cash App payment pending. Thanks.